Hi everyone. So I just got done installing these little birds right here. Right there. And I actually let me see here. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so I actually bought 6 of them from the 99-cent store. They were $2.99. The 99-cent store bumped up their prices, but these are Let's Flamingle. This is the metal bird wall decor, and it looks something like this. Okay. Now I was actually thinking about purchasing more, so I can put them at the footers, at the bottom of the palm trees. So similar to like this one, little metal one, this little blue flower. Basically, what I did is I use screws to screw them in. This one, we've been having it for a long time. It's a little butterfly. As you can see, it has like spider webs all over it, and it's rusty. So I think it might have been on the ground for a while. I don't know, but it was over here, and I basically put it more professionally, because right here I'm planning on growing some flowers and stuff. But up here I installed another one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there. Alright. There's another one over here. And this one's a parrot. I hardly can see, but it's right there. And I also installed another one right here. And this is how tall I am. These things are all the way up there on the palm tree. Okay. So I used the ladder and the drill. Right here I installed another one. Let me see, hold on. What the hell is that? Ooh, this one's hard. Alright, there it is. Right there. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's right there nonetheless. And then the final one is over here. This was the little parrot. Red one. It's right there. Let's see if I can get a better capture. color. Shit, I can't see shit. Anyways, it's right there. So, anyways, like I said, I'm probably going to look into getting some pretty colorful ones for the bottom. So it can look like super colorful back here where the palm trees are at. But I wish they were $1 though, so I could buy like 100 of them, like nothing. So I could like put like 3 of them, install 3 of them on each palm tree, because we have quite a bit of palm trees. See that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a bunch of them all around the house. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with all of you. Because maybe you people will get more creative than that, and create something that won't harm the tree. I mean, I just put a screw, it shouldn't harm the tree. The tree should be fine. The palm tree should be fine. Yeah, honestly, I wish I had way more, like a bunch of them, where like every single palm tree will have something, even like lizards, some lizard ones would be super cool. At the very bottom, some flowers, like something to wrap around the palm tree, like kind of like something colorful, would be super cool. It could be made out of metal. I don't know. I'm still thinking about this stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to record this video and share this this idea to everyone. Things that you guys can do yourselves. And yeah, I bought them again at the 99cent store for $2.99. It's called Let's Flamingo Metal Bird Wall Decor. Alright, so if you guys are wondering where I bought them from, that is the place. The 99cent store. You guys can probably order them online through Walmart or Amazon or Alibaba, or I think Home Depot and Lowe's have these things as well. And there's different kinds. There's butterflies, there's hummingbirds. There's a bunch of awesome things. So yeah, if you guys want something that will last a long time and stay there for a very long time, this is the way to go. Like I said, these things will be on there for years, and they only cost $2.99. And they're already pre-painted. They're made out of metal. They do have like a little hook, so you guys can hook them. I didn't do that. What I did is in some of them, I drilled directly through the metal. That way the wind won't blow it away. And I interlocked it with the drills. I mean, with the screws. Okay? And you guys can use like any type of screws. I used like wood screws. I mean, after all, it's a palm tree, it's wood. I don't know if over time, if the palm tree will deteriorate the metal and cause it to fall. But I think before it does all that, it would be like years, right? But I mean, it's possible, but I doubt it. But yeah.